and some people have really smelly feet. Alright boys, I've survived motorbike crashes, crazy markets and an unexpected beer chugging contest. But now it's time for my final Vietnam adventure, a 14-hour journey on a communist train. No Wi-Fi, no luxury, just me, my infected eye and 4 strangers cramped into a tiny cabin. So how is it to travel on a communist express in Vietnam? Join me on an adventure of a lifetime. Watch me suffer as we move 700 kilometers across the country so you don't have to. Well guys, checking out from the 4-star and going to the train station. Oh, I need to... Yeah.
Grab driver, go to the train station.
Oh yeah, exactly, to the train station. Wow.
Yeah, let's
go.
So
welcome to a new adventure. Let's put my phone here and go to the train station.
Yeah.
Because my train is leaving in 40 minutes. Wow, what an adventure it was. And I had to shave up. Now I look like a baby. Nuk duk duk duk
Duk duk
nuk duk
Germany. Nuk duk
duk duk duk duk Germany. Yes.
Germany.
Hey.
Bavaria.
Bavaria is beautiful. I love Munich.
Yeah, Munich. Oh.
Munich is beautiful.
Yeah. Also my first beer if I met in the world.
I did not understand a thing.
Yeah. I'm very happy.
I am very happy too, man, that you are my driver.
Yeah.
What is your name?
My name Jung.
Jung.
Yeah.
Jung.
Yeah.
Okay, all right. My name is Patrick.
Yeah, but nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. You're happy Jung.
Yeah. Me local guy.
Oh, I am beautiful. You are beautiful as well, my man.
Yeah.
This is getting romantic.
Romantic.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you, man. Was a great ride. Thank you so much. How much you pay?
In app 20.
20.
If you tip more, I send you.
Okay, no problem. Here you go. Your helmet, of course. Then, my man, you can get 30, please.
30.
30, yes.
I should know 20.
Yeah, exactly. Change 20. Thank you. You are a lovely guy.
Yeah.
So this is why I give you a tip. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
This is 20.
Yeah,
Have a great day. Thank you so much. Bye bye.
Bye.
Where can I buy the tickets? Tickets?
Yeah. Bye.
Here?
Yeah.
Here? Okay. All right. Thank you so much. Bye bye. He destroyed my haircut. Where can I buy the tickets? Hello. Hanoi. Yeah, one way, please. How much? Today. It's 13, please. The next one. 13:45. Do you have a sleeping cabin?
3:32.
Sorry?
3:32 p.m.
Yeah, no.
1:40.
1:40. Yeah, exactly. The next one, please. So it will arrive at 4 a.m. in Hanoi, right?
4:35 a.m.
Yeah, 4 a.m. exactly. Amazing. That is my train. Do you have like one for one room, or do you have a shared?
4 people in
4 people. Okay, no problem. Can I go up? Up, yeah. I would love to see up.
1:40 p.m. today.
Yeah.
Level 2.
Yeah. Level 2, please. Sorry? Passport. Yes. There is my passport. Thank you. Yes. My telephone number. Oh wow. That is getting romantic. You can message me on WhatsApp. All right.
1,032,000.
1 million. Can I pay by card? No. Okay. Wow, I hope I have 1 million. Oh, this is getting ridiculous. I think I don't have 1 million anymore. 200, 100, 300, 400. Do you know where I can get money? ATM? Because I don't have enough money. Can I pay by card?
No.
No, possible.
You can pay dollar or euro.
No, I don't have any more cash. Is there an ATM?
ATM.
Okay. So just be right back, okay? This way? Okay, thank you. All right. Take this one. Thank you. See you in a bit. So guys, I didn't have money, so I have to withdraw some money. I hope my card doesn't get stuck. I think I put it in here, okay? All right, let's grab 2 million. So we're set up for the wave. Patrick, that's me, exactly. Wow, how do you know? Oh, fuck. Yeah. Okay, let's see, balance. Cash withdrawal, please, okay. Checking credits. I want $2 million, please. Do you want to take a receipt? Yes, please. Awesome. That is a great process. It's humid. Continue. Transaction has fee collection. Okay, continue. Give me the money, please. I need it quickly. Please take your cash and receipt. Okay, we got some dongs, some big dongs. Okay, now give me my card back, the receipt. Continue, exit. So, I got myself the money, the big dongs, a big dong, and now we're ready to get to this train. Yahoo! That is absolutely lovely. Everything works out fine right now, so I hope the train will make it as well until 4 AM and there will be no incidents with the train. Because in Germany you cannot rely on the train, but maybe here in Vietnam. So guys, I have my ticket. It says 22nd of February 1343 and it cost me around 1 million dong. I have a sleeping cabin with 4 different people, so we're gonna share and squeeze in a little bit. Wow, that's gonna be an adventure. Yeah, I have to go to this waiting room number 2 and maybe we should set up a little bit with water and supplies for the route because it's going to be a 14-hour journey. So join me on this adventure again. Hello. Hello. Do you have water? Yeah. Yes. Oh, and you have banh mi as well, right? That is amazing. But I'm not hungry. I'm not hungry, thank you. I just love the banh mi. All right.
Cold drink over there?
Yes. Do you think when I'm on the train to Hanoi, I can buy something food in the train? Okay, amazing. Yeah, that's amazing. I just go for the regular water, not the cold one. I just
big or small?
let's get me a big one, please. Yeah. Need to drink a lot on this journey. How much is it?
15.
No, 15. Or maybe just let's grab 2 Coke Zero as well. Can you get it for me? Oh wow, that is lovely. Awesome, thank you so much. Yes, please. Oh, your English is pretty good.
Not too good.
Yeah. Do you think the train will arrive punctually?
What?
Do you think the train will arrive on time?
Yeah,
Okay.
maybe. You
All
go
right.
to the name?
No, I go to Hanoi.
Oh, at E6, right?
Yeah.
Maybe on
thank you.
time.
How much is it?
55.
Yeah, I'm security. How much is it? 55. 55,000 dong. I just give you 100. Yep. Sure. So we have Coke Zero, we have water, supplies, and I cannot wait to get off my back. 45, awesome, thank you so much. All right, I have some big dongs in my pocket. Damn it. All right, let's go into the waiting room. Sorry. Alright, this is going to be a long journey with a bunch of Vietnamese nice people. Wow. Hanoi? No? Where? Dong Hoi? Dom Ling. What? Dom Ling. Nom Ling. Nom Ling. Where is Nom Ling? Dong Le. Ah, okay. So you going as well up north? Okay, me too. I go to Hanoi. Okay, we are in the same train. All right, lovely. So these lovely gentlemen are traveling almost halfway with me. Yeah, that's gonna be interesting. Wow, it is sweating. Whew. It's really humid. Hopefully in Hanoi it will be a little bit more cold. Oh, let's grab a Coca-Cola Zero. Oh, this is the train? Okay, we need to go. All right, let's go. This is the train. All right, I'm leaving. That's E6. That's my train. Okay, good to go. Wow. The voice is even speaking in English. You don't see that in Germany. There's only a German person talking. Okay, track 1. Wow, that is one lovely looking train. Look at this. The Journey train. Wow, a vintage train. Let's see how our train will look like. I'm pretty excited. Wow, almost lost my ticket. That is actually a vintage train. Okay, so we have 3. This is 2, so we have to go up to 5. There. Okay, there we go, 5. Sorry? 5? Yeah? Okay, thank you. Thank you. All right. Little stressful adventure. Can you go up? Yeah. Okay, thank you. All right, let's find our cabin. Floor, we have toilet situation going on here. Room number 12. 6, 12. This is my room. And it's empty. Wow. And it's tiny as well. Wow. So let's go inside. Oh, you're with me? That will be funny. Wait a second. That is my cabin. So people are squeezing in. And here I am. With some lovely Vietnamese people. Wow. That's going to be a crazy journey. So these comrades are actually 4. So I think they are going to squeeze in together in one bed. Whew. That's crazy. Okay, let me just take off my shirt because I am sweating. Wow. I just set myself up. And some people have really smelly feet. Well, let me have a Coke and then give you a quick tour of my beautiful compartment in this train. Wow. Yeah, that's not my feet. It is the feet of someone else. Wow. So, Coke. And then let's have a tour. So we have our stuff that you couldn't put up here, which is actually spacious. We put out our shoes, and then we have this beautiful bed with, I think it is a pillow. Look at this. So we have a blanket and we have a pillow. It says the Duong Sud Hanoi Harako. That is hilarious. Let me put some more light inside the room. Yeah, so we have a beautiful bed that is actually spacious. Then we have a lamp going on here. Look at this. Ah, okay. These people are making fun of me. Hello, xin chào.
Xin
Xin
chào.
chào. Xin chào, hello.
Where are you from?
Nước Đức. 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 Yeah. Germany. Exactly. My spelling is pretty good, huh? My Vietnamese. All right. Oh, wow. Let's take a look. Wow. Is it actually comfy or not? Let's find out. Where are you guys going to? Where?
Quang Binh Province.
Which one? No.
Quang Binh Province.
Quang Binh. Where? How far is it? How many hours do you go?
For 15 minutes.
450. Okay.
Yes.
45 minutes.
Okay.
Ah, so you're leaving in an hour. Okay. Wow. So maybe I will get some more people coming in and joining. Wow. So I
You
am.
are YouTuber?
Yeah, I am a YouTuber.
Okay.
Exactly. I can give you my YouTube channel in a second. Well, actually, I'm 90 centimeters tall, and I'm feeling pretty comfy. Even it's really spacious. It's almost like traveling business class with Emirates. Well, I can get used to it. And we have air conditioning going on. That's great. Cheers. Wow. So somebody is controlling the tickets. Let me just find my ticket on my phone.
Em ơi, chị gửi nè.
Oh, there you go. There is my ticket.
Em đã kiểm tra tay luôn
Oh,
đây.
he didn't even want to look at my ticket. He's trusting me. I could just sneak in. Maybe I'll do
Mua
it
về
next
năm
time.
về ngôi à? Có 5 chúng à? Để cho khỏe.
He was just checking on the Vietnamese people, but not on the foreigners. But yeah, we have a beautiful look outside. Look at this scenery. We got some rice fields going on. This is the journey that I took with my motorbike. Guys, you can imagine how amazing that was. All this landscape. Wow, what should I do with that? Excuse me, sir, is there a trash? Can you put it there? There? No. Yeah, exactly. Oh, amazing. Thank you. Come on. Come on. Thank you. Yeah,
Thank you.
They're making fun of me. Why are you laughing? Come on, it's great, huh? It's good. It's thank you. Yeah, thanks. They are making fun of my dialect. Well, at least I try to speak Vietnamese. It's really difficult. Not the easiest language to talk. Alright guys, let's find out how the toilet is on the train. Okay. Oh, you're squeezing it together in one bed. That is, yeah, handsome couple. That is really tight.
You handsome.
Me handsome, you are handsome as well.
Yes.
All of you. So let's take a look on the toilet. Okay. Okay. See you in the toilet. This way. This way? Okay. Thank you so much. So here's the toilet. Let's take a look. Oh, there's someone inside. Okay. It's actually occupied. Let's wait until someone comes out. Hopefully they are not taking a shit. Here. Oh, it's also occupied. Okay. That is one good-looking toilet. Yes. We can lock ourselves in. That's it. And then, well, you cannot open the window, but we have somewhere where you can wash your hands can take a piss or a shit and just enjoy your journey. 14 hours, guys. Actually, not that bad. You can wash your butt even with this one. Not gonna use this one for sure, 100% not. But yeah, let me take a piss and then I'm gonna show you guys more stuff. Alright, so the train ride continues. This is how it looks like. Oh, a lot of beds are still free, but my cabin is fully booked. I was a lucky guy having 4 people with smelly feet in my cabin. Wow, I must be pretty lucky. Good fortune. Maybe it was the fortune from the dragon in Ninh Bình. Guys, I had a few hours of sleep until the music started blasting. What a vibe, what an adventure. And now we're heading north and it's starting to rain again. Damn it, fuck you rain, I hate rain. My eyes are looking a little bit better, but still I am messed up. Here is your luggage. Should I put it up? Okay, alright.
Are you real security?
Sorry?
No, I don't.
I'm not security. Please, the tickets. It is a long journey.
Okay.
Yeah. Alright. Hope you guys behave in the evening. And I don't hear any rumble. Rumble in the jungle. What a funny guy. Wow, there is even worse cabins. You can have a seat, not just a sleeping cabin. Guys, my compartment is actually pretty good. There is even worse. Like, man, these seats are bad as hell, and it stinks. Do they have? Oh, there's a restaurant. Can you go? Okay, you can go. All right. That is a restaurant. What? Is this the restaurant? Restaurant. Do you have beer?
Beer.
Beer? Yeah. One beer. Okay.
beer.
Let's sit down. Okay, clean it up a little bit. Thank you so much. Lovely. Man, that smells like durian. Thank you so much. I can take a sit here. All right. Can you clean it off a little bit as well? Yeah, okay. I'll have a sit here. Awesome. Here, thank you so much. Wow. You have a cold one? Awesome. Look at this. They have also cargo here. The durian. It stinks so hardcore, bro. Oh, I'm not gonna drink this ice. I'll just go for a warm beer then. Wow. It stinks like durian in this compartment. They are shipping like cargo here as well. Let's enjoy this atmosphere with a cold beer or like a warm beer. Tiger. It's Singaporean beer. Enjoy. Cheers. You like this one, yeah? I'm security. Wow, guys. That is a perfect trip. Having beers, watching those beautiful views, not riding my bike anymore, don't have a sore ass anymore. listening to some nice Vietnamese music. Hopefully I don't get cancelled on YouTube. Wow, enjoying the views, getting some kind of a new COVID from this guy. Let's see what the restaurant is selling. What is that? Oh, he's taking some Instagram photos. Oh, you are a food blogger. Wow, that actually looks crazy good. You got some tofu, some eggs, some peanuts. To taking a few Instagrammable pictures. They're going to sell the stuff. We got some sausages, peanuts, tofu, and some vegetables. Pretty interesting. Is there a bird? Jesus Christ. Wow, now the party is starting. Whoa guys, so got some booze in and now hello, I'm heading back to my cabin to see if I didn't get robbed. Guys, I got myself some chips because I also bought a noodle soup, and I thought they will heat up some water, some drinking water, but unfortunately it's not like that. So there are like boilers inside the train. I will show it to you in a second. Don't want to go there again, but it's I don't think it's drinking water, guys. I'm 100% sure it's like just regular tap water that they bring to boil. So I'm gonna skip the noodles and go for the crackers. Maybe on the next stop I will just go outside and try to find some banh mi or something like that. So actually I wanted to show you guys, my bike fell over my leg and it's all blue and scratchy. What an adventure it was. I'll remember it for a lifetime. Guys, it is 2 AM in the morning. We have 2 more hours, 2.5 hours to go. My eye started hurting, it's crying like the whole time, and there is some kind of son of a bitch right next to my room who's smoking like cigarette after cigarette. I cannot breathe. That is disgusting, man. I have to leave. At least here you can breathe. So hot, bro. The last 2 hours are the worst. I just want to get some sleep, but I can't. My eye is hurting when I'm lying down, so I'm standing.
Mỗi bước đi của chúng ta đều bồi hồi nghe âm vang từ ngàn xưa vọng lại với lịch sử oai hùng. Đến với Hà Nội, quý khách có thể thưởng thức văn hóa ẩm thực và loại độc đáo nhất của Việt Nam. Chuyến tàu sau.
All right, got it. Wow. There is some ridiculously loud music. We are ready. It was a pleasure being here on this beautiful train by myself. And my eye is getting better. Oh, I love it. Oh, wow. Finally. But now I cannot get any sleep. So yeah. Friends, that was one kind of a impressive journey. My bag is so heavy. I bought so many souvenirs. Actually, I wanted to travel light, but yeah, we made it happen. And the train was punctual as a Swiss clock. It should arrive 4:35. It arrived 4:35 on the minute. Guys, never heard about such a thing in Germany. The trains never arrive on time. They have delays. And here, I was a little bit panicking, I have to say, because my flight is going to Singapore at 9:35. So I at least had some time to have some buffer. But man, I didn't expect to be like on the minute, on a second. So yeah, it's 4:35. I'm waiting for the first coffee spot to open, where I will charge up my phone a little bit, get myself coffee, need some water, and of course some food. Man, I'm starving. I only had these crackers that were like paper thin, like crab crackers. Oh guys, I'm treating myself with the banh mi at the first place that opened up. It actually smells really good, and they are making it freshly here on the side. Also some coffee. Oh wow, that dirty water, damn it. Look at this, she's making it freshly. Some chicken. And also adding some eggs. There we go guys, banh mi in middle of the night at the train station in Hanoi. I see myself here. That's my new favorite spot. We should do such journeys more often. I think so. Alright guys, let's end the journey where we started it, at my firm. They were actually open at 6:30, so I got myself a phone, which hopefully gives me enough power to end this beautiful trip throughout Vietnam. It was a great journey, great people, lovely, welcoming, and the train journey, well, what should I say? It was intense, hardcore, but at least our cabin was just bought for ourselves during the half of the trip. We didn't have anyone with stinky feet anymore. It was quiet, except the guy who was smoking right next to me and my eye that was hurting, but now I'm pretty good again. It was a journey, fantastic. 14 hours, and we were really on time in Hanoi. Didn't think that it will happen. I thought we will have a delay, at least one hour or something, but man, the Vietnamese are really hardworking people, and I really liked it here. So yeah, ending the trip from my firm with the firm. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this raw travel episode from Vietnam. Let me know in the comments how you guys liked it. What was your favorite part? And I'm happy to see you guys again on the next adventure. Don't know where I'm going, but let's find out. Bye.